first step to enjoy a great day on the water is actually getting to the water. And the easiest way to get there in style is with the Move family of trailers. Along with offering user-friendly features engineered to fit the hull of all Sea-Doo watercraft, they can also be used to carry many other watercraft brands. This includes fully adjustable carpeted bunks that let you adjust bunk angles, a custom frame design that requires less water to load and unload, and sealed maintenance-free wheel bearings for added peace of mind. New for this year is the Move 1 Extended 1250 Aluminum. Made of aluminum construction, it offers better corrosion resistance to significantly extend the life of the trailer. Ideal to carry any watercraft, it features axle-mounted fenders that make axle adjustments much simpler and faster, as well as waterproof LED lights that are more durable, more energy efficient, and brighter than incandescent lighting. Plus, all Move trailers are available in a galvanized frame for extended life in all weather conditions, or in a painted black version, with or without marine jack. For example, if you are towing just one lightweight and compact watercraft, like the Sea-Doo Spark, the Move 1 1250 is the perfect choice. There is also the Move 1 Extended 1250 version, which is ideal for pulling any watercraft, or the Move 1 Extended 1500, which is perfect for heavier and longer PWCs. There's nothing like sharing the fun, so those who like to hit the water in pairs can opt for the Spark Move 2, specially designed for carrying two lightweight and compact watercraft, like the Sea-Doo Spark. Or the Move 2, which is ideal for any other watercraft combination. As you can see, no matter which or how many watercraft you need to carry, there is a Move trailer to meet everyone's needs.